Hello students, today we are going to study History of Novel, chapter 4.1. In this present chapter, we will study or we will get acquainted with following 4 points. Which are they? These 4 points are: number 1, what is meant by novel? Means definition of novel, or it is also called novella, and its examples. पहिला मुद्दा आहे की कादंबरी म्हणजे काय, त्याची व्याख्या पाहिजे आहे. नंबर 2, हिस्ट्री अँड ग्रोथ ऑफ नॉवल. दुसरा मुद्दा आहे कादंबरीचा इतिहास आणि वृद्धी किंवा वाढ. थर्ड पॉइंट, एलिमेंट्स ऑफ नॉवेल और नोवेला, कादंबरीचे घटक. आणि चौथा पॉइंट आहे टाइप्स ऑफ नॉवेल. टाइप्स ऑफ नॉवल, कादंबरीचे प्रकार. तर या प्रकरणामध्ये आपल्याला या 4 प्रमुख घटकांचा अभ्यास करायचा आहे. सो धिस चॅप्टर इज फॉर 4 मार्क्स अँड ऑल MCQ टाइप मल्टिपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन. MCQ type questions or objective type questions will be asked on it. So students, while listening this video, keep your textbook before you. Underline all important points and then prepare your own notes. So let us begin. The first point. Hello students, today we will see chapter 4.1, the history of novel, and especially what is meant by novel, what is meant by novella, and their examples. So when we utter the word novel, one should deal with 18th century. Why? Because this form, novel, this type is originated in this century. The 18th century has gifted with 2 important forms. First one is the periodical essays. Now periodical essays means in Marathi it is called नियतकालिकावर आधारित निबंध. And second important thing in this period was novel. So the periodical essays and novel are originated in this century. And because of these 2 forms, 18th century literature was called the age of intellectual play. The age of intellectual play means the age of intellectual development. In Marathi it is called बौद्धिक विकासाचा कालखंड. Moreover, it is also called the age of sentimental play. The age of sentimental play means the age of sentimental development. In Marathi it is called भावनिक विकासाचा कालखंड. In the same way, it is also called the age of realistic play, the age of realistic development. In Marathi, वास्तववादी विकासाचा कालखंड. So these are different names for the 18th century literature. So let us see what is meant by novel. Definition of novel. While dealing with the definition of novel, we should understand following 3 points. Number 1, Novel is relatively long narrative fiction. Novel is relatively means comparatively, तुलनात्मक दृष्ट्या, long narrative fiction. Narrative means story, telling a story. Fiction, imagined, something imagined. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये आपण म्हणू शकतो की दीर्घ कथा स्वरूपात हा प्रकार आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतो. लॉन्ग नॅरेटिव्ह फिक्शन, नंबर 1. नंबर 2, novel describes. What does it describe? It describes human experiences. What kind of human experiences? Intimate human experiences. Intimate human experiences means friendly human experiences, private human experiences, familiar human experiences. This is the second point. And third point, it is in a prose form. Novel is in a prose form. Let us once again revise all these 3 points. What is meant by novel? Novel is a long narrative fiction. Novel describes intimate human feelings, intimate human experiences, and third thing, it is in the prose form. Prose form means written form of language, prose form. So when we combine all these 3 points, these 3 points make the definition of novel. So the present English word novel is derived means originated from, obtained from the Italian word novella. Means this word novel is originated from the Italian word. And what was that word? That word is novella. So what is the meaning of novella? Novella means new. Novella, what is the meaning of the word, Italian word novella? Novella means new. So what does this word novel describe? This word or novel creates the picture of human society. It presents the picture of society. And when we compare novel with poetry and drama, so this form is very easier than the drama and poetry. So this is all about novel. So we have to study one more point. What is meant by novella? So let us see the meaning of novella. This word novella is originated from the Italian word novel. See the spelling of this word, N-O-V-E-L-L-E, novel. It is a type of prose fiction. Novella is a type of prose fiction. Now, next important line, keep in mind, this novella is shorter than the full-length novel. This novella is shorter than the full-length novel and longer than the short story. This is the basic difference we should keep in mind. Novella is shorter than the full-length novel and longer than the short stories. Now here are some famous examples of novella. 6 examples we have to study. Number 1, The Heart of Darkness. Now this novella is written by Joseph Conrad. Now I am giving here some examples of novella and their writers, novelists. Number 2, The Turn of the Screw by Henry James. Third example of novella is Billy Budd. Who has written this novel? Billy Budd. Billy Budd. This novel is written by Herman Melville. Next example, Death in Venice. Death in Venice is written by Thomas Mann. Next example is Seize the Day. Seize the Day. This novella or novel is written by Saul Bellow. And last famous example of novella is Pearl. Pearl, this novella is written by John Steinbeck. So, today we studied only single point, that is what is meant by novel or novella and their various examples.